wanted. The life without plastic is difficult but not impossible. So we should at least take some small initiative to save our Mother Earth. Now I will show you how to make dishwash liquid without any use of plastic. The materials required for making dishwash liquid are vinegar, baking soda, vim liquid, lemons, strainer, steel cup, 2 spoons, 1 knife and hot water. Let's begin. Firstly, we will put 3 cups of hot water into the bowl. Then we will take 3 tablespoons of baking soda. And mix well. Then 4 lemons using a strainer. I have already cut them.
Please start.
Then add 6 tablespoons of vinegar. I have already took it according to the measurement. Now take 3 tablespoons of vim liquid. Now mix it well. And keep aside for 1 hour.